Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here we've got the backup option, which is right now turned off, so let's tap on it, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right next to it. As you can see, the account option immediately activates and appears, so let's tap on it. Make sure obviously that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here we've got the info that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And here we've got actually the same list, but it is more visible, I would say. So here we've got the backup and what it includes. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on, all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here we can decide if we want to back up the data using Wi-Fi only, and I highly recommend to leave it turned on because then it will not use the mobile data. And here we've got also the option to back up photos and videos, so it's really up to you which if you want to turn it on or off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.